namin alam yung concept of give and take. What we did was compromise. And I keep telling people, compromise doesn't exist in any relationship. If someone tells you, I'm sorry sa mga taong nag-a-advise, if someone tells you to compromise, run away from that person. Because compromising means losing a piece of you. That's like, if you do that constantly, after a while, hindi mo nakilala sarili mo, and then sasabihin din ng taong kasama mo, nagbago ka. Malamang, wala akong ginawa kundi mag-compromise. So I'm hating myself, I'm hating you, you're hating me, and now we don't have a relationship anymore because I don't want to be with you. Because all I did during the relationship was compromise. All you did during the relationship was compromise. Dapat give and take. What's the difference? Giving and taking means whether you like what I do or not, you'll suck it up because alam mong it'll make me the person I am. And if you're gonna do something, I have to give it to you to allow you to do that because it'll make you grow as to be the person you. And that's what I know now.
Kung na mo pwedeng i-victimize ang sarili ko, paano mo binibictimize ang sarili mo sa mga nanonood ngayon? Hindi ka pa nabubuhay sa sarili mo. Nabubuhay ka pa sa buhay ng ibang tao. Ang ginawa ko noon, nag-resign ako sa company. Ayoko nang i-please ka kasi people pleaser ako partner ko. Ayoko nang i-please ka, ayoko nang ipakita sa'yo masipag ako. Ayoko nang ipakita sa'yo mabait ako. Sige na, tanggapin mo na yung masama ako. Tanggapin mo na yung mawawala ako sa inyo. So yung palang mga ganong klase ng desisyon mo sa buhay mo, ang laking impact pala nun. Kasi yung iba, pinipilit nyo maging mabuti. Dapat tanggapin nyo rin kung ano yung masama sa'yo kasi yun yung makakapagpabuti sa'yo.
Yes. So,
Nagigets mo? May kanya-kanya tayo laging shadow. At ano ang itsura ng shadow? Is it light? Is it what?
dark.
Dark.
Yes.
So each and every one of us, meron tayong dark side. Now, all you have to do is you have to accept that. Kasi yun yung alarm mo sa buhay Yun yung makakapag-secure sa'yo. Yun yung makakapagbigay sa'yo ng self-love.